What up, y'all? I'm just cooking a little breakfast, fixing to head to work. So last night we worked till like 7 o'clock trying to get a creek tied in, but didn't work out due to engineering issue, I guess. But anyway, we got a plan for this morning. We've got 4 welds. We got a fitting to put in. I believe it's a 10-degree fitting on a roll. So 2 welds there, and then 1 weld on either side of the creek. If not, yet another one. 4 or 5 welds today. So anyway, that is what we're doing today. It is still cold. Looks like there's the weather's clear for today, but there's more rain coming. It's gonna warm back up tomorrow, get pretty warm and rain tomorrow night, I think, and then come beginning of next week it's supposed to be in the teens. Not looking forward to that, but that's all right. We got our weather gear layered up 3 times plus my coat, 4 times really. Got a short sleeve under all these long sleeves, but anyway, everything is nice and toasty here, so that's the plan for today. All right, just pulled up to work, 6:25. I love getting to work this early, really earlier sometimes. Now this is just about right. Kind of depends on the job, on how early you get there. This job here, it's a smaller job. I don't know, smaller job is the word, but smaller yard. Therefore it's packed, so like to get a parking spot, to not be in the way of stuff, it's nice to get here early. So anyway, come 7 o'clock, I'm gonna roll up to that tool trailer, get the stuff we need, and head to the right of way. I feel like they need to play that off and drive back there.
Where's your help? Oh.
Here.
Okay. He's one pull out enough in the vehicle.
Yeah.
I didn't know who it was. The other bringing us to the city. We gotta go down there and cut that cup that chip that we welded on yesterday. Cut it in half. Take the 2 turns, put it on, weld it, and stab the other fitting on that we cut. Weld it, then weld it up. So right now, that's the plan. The weather works out that way, right?
And we're off.
Yeah.
Walking back here to our weld. How far you think this is, Andy? How far a walk you think we're walking here?
A little less than half, but it's probably pretty close. 3/8.
I'm just glad it's all flat.
Yeah.
Got a couple cuts to make back here, and at least 4 welds, maybe 5. Holy cow. Well, I thought that was going to be a lot worse. But it wouldn't.
Right now, there's too many clothes on.
What this walking tour is, ain't it?
Yeah.
Well, if we sit down here like we did yesterday, you'd be glad you have it on, you know what I mean? Not
Well,
doing nothing.
I got no place. That's why I put them on. I figure we're gonna be out here all the time.
You see, you always take them on. Keep you warm. project of the day. First thing we got to do is cut that 10-foot pup there connected to that section in half, and we're going to put that 10-degree fitting in between the two pups. So there will be a total of 3 welds right here, I believe. And right here we have Andy down here on the right, and on the left we have the job steward. For those of you who may not know, a job steward is put on every union job to make sure each party, the contractor and the 798 members, are living up to the contract. That's his main job, is just kind of oversee, make sure everything's going good as far as all the rules and stuff in the union. But whenever he's not doing that, or whenever he's got some downtime, he will come spell off welders from time to time. And that's what he's doing here today, which is good because it gives me a chance to film. So.
Make you famous.
There you are. You're in the spotlight.
Y'all want a good hand, probably the best hand this side of the pipe, call me. You won't find a better helper this side of the pipe. I'm telling you. It ain't gonna happen. At least on tie-ins. Maybe on the fire line you might, but...
Boy, you better start showing it. Alright, at this point in time we are on the other side of the creek. We're now looking back towards where we just were, where we put that 10-degree fitting in. Just left of the ladder there, you can see it. That's all we needed, just that little bit of jog to get this section here that we're welding on now to line up with the ditch over here. Alright. We have just started on our last weld of the evening. I wanted to go ahead and address a question that someone asked in a previous video about all the wood and skids and anything that we use to lay on in the ditch. That all gets moved before they backfill it. The only thing that is left in the ditch is those sandbags that you see there. They'll actually build the sandbags up underneath the pipe to support the pipe before they backfill it. That, or they'll spray foam breakers. So that's how that works. Alright, made 4 welds today. Finally got out of that creek, and yeah, just another lovely day. We've been getting a ride back in there on a Maruka buggy, but the didn't have no seats, so safety shut us down. I knew that was coming. I mean, they don't allow that stuff. You know, if you ain't got a seatbelt, you're not supposed to be riding on it. Me and Andy and our helpers hiked on in there, and we hiked on back out. It's about 6 o'clock. Got done about 5:30. It's a good day. Not too cold. Started snowing on us midday, but you know what my favorite part about a busy day is? We got started first thing this morning, didn't have time to drink my coffee, so that's my favorite part, getting in the truck, having a thermos full of coffee, sip on the way home. But yeah, I've been putting in a lot of hours here lately, which is good because of the weather up here. It's good to get hours while you can, you know. Like I've mentioned before, I'm really fortunate to be getting to be working in January, much less getting all these hours. So soak them up while they're offering it. Anyhow, good day today. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Remember, learn something every day.
Y'all want a good hand, probably the best hand this side of the pipe, call me. You won't find a better helper this side of the pipe. I'm telling you.